Hey there! Thinking about visiting the Great Wall, the Forbidden City, or maybe just want to try the best dumplings in the world? Well, if you're planning to travel to China, you'll need a tourist visa, and I'm here to help you navigate that maze. First things first, the basics. To apply for a Chinese tourist visa, or an L visa, you'll need a few key documents. Grab a pen and paper, because here comes the list. Numero uno, a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining and 2 blank visa pages. No blank pages? Time to renew that passport. Next up, a completed visa application form. This is where people often mess up, folks. Fill it out carefully and accurately online, then print it out. If you're like me and tend to misspell your own name, triple check everything. You'll also need a recent passport-sized photo. Plain background, no hats, no glasses, no funny faces. Save the selfies for Instagram. Now for the fun part, your itinerary. You'll need to show proof of your onward and return flight bookings and a detailed itinerary of your trip. The more detailed, the better. Prove that you're not planning to sneak into a Shaolin monastery and never come back. Got friends or family in China? Great. You'll need an invitation letter from them. Otherwise, hotel bookings will do the trick. All right, time for some stats. As of the latest data, about 10 million tourist visas were issued by China last year. It's a hot destination, folks. But here's the kicker. About 15% of applicants got rejected. Why? Most common reasons: incomplete forms, dodgy itineraries, and insufficient funds. Speaking of funds, show them the money. You need to prove you have enough funds to support your entire stay. Bank statements, pay slips, or a letter from your employer should do it. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Don't, I repeat, do not lie on your application. China takes this seriously. If you get caught, you might be banned from entering for life. Also, avoid last-minute applications. Processing can take 4 to 5 working days, but delays are common, especially around Chinese holidays. And finally, a little news flash. China has recently updated its visa policies to be more streamlined for tourists. So, make sure you're looking at the latest guidelines on the official Chinese embassy website. So, there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be munching on Peking duck in no time. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels. Yeah.